Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back again to Susan Goats TV. So here is me making this Ghana braid. All right, this is one of my many ways of making Ghana braid. I have a lot of ways of me making Ghana braid. All right. So if you like what I'm doing here, consider subscribing to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video. So guys, what I'm making here at the back is braid, just normal one braid. Okay, and I'm not starting it from the beginning, but I'm going to start it also from the beginning. I just want to teach you guys that you can start it from the beginning with an extension. You can also start it with natural hair. It depends on the hair texture. Okay, so the reason I didn't start um the hair from the back, from the with the extension, that's because our hair, their hair is light. It's more like white people's hair, just a little bit different. The texture of her hair is very light. So if you are not careful, you make her hair the way you make like um like our hair, like our Nigerian hair. Our hair is going to break so much. So when you are making these people, they are making their hair, you have to be handling their hair with care. If not, you're going to end up damaging their hair. So this is how I made the braid. So now I'm going to cream the front, just cream it a little bit before I start the Ghana braid. Okay, and because of, if you look at the front of her hair, you see that is really not much. So what we're going to do there, we are going to make the extension very tiny, very tiny. Don't make it too close, because when you cut the hair too tiny and the extension is big, the extension will be too heavy for the hair and it will end up breaking the hair. So that is why I make the extension very tiny. Okay, and that's how I'm going to do it, and she understands it and she trusts me with the work I'm doing for her. This is not my first time of making her hair though, but she decided for me to make it or film the hair this time. Okay, so at the beginning, you see the way I'm making it, I'm not just crossing it completely. That's because that's the first hair. I just want it to be different and safe, because that part is really sensitive part of the hair. So after that, I'm going to be making the normal Ghana weaving, okay, Ghana braid. So guys, thank you so much. If to my returning subscriber, thank you. I appreciate you all. So may God bless you all. So if this hair were this lady, if she were to be a Nigerian, where we have this very strong hair, I would have started her hair, with a natural hair, not with extension. So because the front of her hair is so light, when I hold it, it might pull off. So that's why I had a little extension to it from the beginning. So, but when I'm making for our Nigerian, or like somebody that have thick hair, okay, then I will make it a little bit. I will start the front of the hair with a natural hair. I will not add extension to it. So I'm just explaining this in case you want to make it and the hair is strong. You can start the hair with natural without extension. That will enable it to have this very tiny how do I say, tiny tip. Okay, so now I'm going to add wine color at the middle. Okay, I don't she don't want we don't want it from the beginning. I just want it to be in the middle. It's very beautiful, and I want it to looks like as if it's a hair that is coming out from the middle. So that is why I'll be adding the red hair, like the wine color hair, in the middle. So guys, just relax and watch, and please share my video and give me this video a big thumbs up. Thank you so much guys for your support. I appreciate you all, and see you in my next video. To my channel subscriber, thank you so much. I say may God bless you all for your support, both my new and my old subscriber. Thank you. God bless you, and bye.
Well, I don't wanna be on the mic with all these words that I think are right, and I'm a child of details, and when I pin it, it's heads, not tails. Don't you think I lick my wounds, play played this game and played the fools. Don't you think that I say la vie? Easy come and easy go. I'll go high when you go low. Don't you think that I say la vie? And I don't wanna be out of sight. The way I look fills me with fright. Well, I don't wanna be on the mic with all these words that I think are right. And I'm a child of details. And when I pin it, it's heads, not tails. Don't you think I lick my wounds? Played this game and played the fools. Don't you think that I say la vie? Easy come and easy go. I'll go high when you go low. Don't you think that I say la vie? And I don't wanna be out of sight. The way I look fills me with fright. Well, I don't wanna be on the mic with all these words that I think are right. And I'm a child of details. And when I pin it, it's heads, not tails. Don't you think I lick my wounds? Played this game and played the fools. Don't you think that I say la vie? Easy come and easy go. I'll go high when you go low. Don't you think that I say la vie? And I don't wanna be out of sight. The way I look fills me with fright. Well, I don't wanna be on the mic with all these words that I think are right. And I'm a child of details. And when I pin it, it's heads, not tails. Don't you think I lick my wounds? Played this game and played the fools. Don't you think that I say la vie? Easy come and easy go. I'll go high when you go low. Don't you think that I say la vie? sight. The way I look fills me with fright. Well, I don't wanna be on the mic with all these words that I think are right. And I'm a child of details, and when I pin it, it's heads, not tails. Don't you think I lick my wounds, played this game and played the fools? Don't you think that I say la vie? Easy come and easy go. I'll go high when you go low. Don't you think that I say la vie? And I don't wanna be out of sight. The way I look fills me with fright. Well, I don't wanna be on the mic with all these words that I think are right. And I'm a child of details, and when I pin it, it's heads, not tails. Don't you think I lick my wounds, played this game and played the fools? Don't you think that I say la vie? Easy come and easy go. I'll go high when you go low. Don't you think that I say la vie? And I don't wanna be out of sight. The way I look fills me with fright. Well, I don't wanna be on the mic with all these words that I think are right. And I'm a child of details, and when I pin it, it's heads, not tails. Don't you think I lick my wounds, played this game and played the fools? Don't you think that I say la vie? Easy come and easy go. I'll go high when you go low. Don't you think that I say la vie? And I don't wanna be out of sight. The way I look fills me with fright.